Starting a mortuary business can be a unique and rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to embark on this journey. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Step 1. Understand the profession. Before diving into the mortuary business, it's essential to fully understand what's involved. This includes handling and embalming deceased bodies, conducting funerals, and providing grief support. There's also the administrative side, paperwork, permits, and more. Step 2. Research the industry. In the United States, around 2.8 million people die every year. That's a lot of potential customers, but also a lot of responsibility. It's essential to know local trends and demand. Step 3. Get the necessary education. Many states require a degree in mortuary science. The coursework includes anatomy, pathology, and chemistry, alongside business classes. About 50 colleges and universities across the country offer programs in this field. Step 4. Obtain a license. After your education, you'll need to pass an exam to get a license to operate. The requirements vary from state to state, but typically include an apprenticeship period, which can last from 1 to 3 years. Step 5. Find a location. Location is crucial. Ideally, it should be accessible, respectful, and away from busy commercial areas. Think about parking, proximity to hospitals, and ease for mourners to locate. Step 6. Create a business plan. This will help you pinpoint your target market, budget, and forecast potential profits. For example, the average funeral in America costs between $7,000 and $12,000. This can give you an idea of potential revenue. Step 7. Secure financing. Banks, credit unions, and private investors are potential sources. Given that starting a mortuary business can require significant upfront costs, it's essential to have a solid financial plan. Step 8. Equip your mortuary. This involves buying embalming equipment, refrigeration units, and vehicles for transportation. Plus, you'll want to invest in a serene and comforting interior for families to gather. Step 9. Hire staff. Whether it's additional embalmers, drivers, or administrative personnel, you'll need a team. It's essential they are well-trained and compassionate. Step 10. Market your business. In today's digital age, having a website and a presence on social media can be beneficial. However, word of mouth and community engagement remain critical. Step 11. Focus on customer service. Remember, families are coming to you during one of their most challenging times. Providing compassionate and professional service will not only help them, but also build your reputation. To secure licensing and registration for your new mortuary business quicker, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a mortuary business? Is there a specific one that seems difficult? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.